I was done for the day, and Robert's like, no, he thinks he can get that. So I'm gonna let him play for a little bit. Let me get my coat out of the way. It's freezing in St. Louis, so still got $30 left.
Skill and sheer determination is what's going to win the race.
All right, he thinks he can get that.
He does. Did I get it or not?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
All right. I already checked it, honey. That's as far as it's gonna go. Oh, he's doing the slamma and jamma method. Oh man, you're doing. Oh, I see what you're saying. It is teetering. It has potential. Oh, you're gonna get a good fall. Oh my gosh, you're gonna get a good fall.
Jam this sucker up.
Extra shots is always good. Oh, it's sliding back. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Should not be allowed in this game. No slides on Willy Wonka.
No. Gotta think like a machine.
You have to think like a machine. I think that's like too Terminator for me. Here comes a card. Let's see if it'll help. It's my TV's. No, you do not help. Now he's in your way.
Mikey, you're in the way.
He's in the way. Oh, wait, that's it. Oh, you're gonna have to do rapid fire. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to do rapid fire.
It's my game. I'll play how I
Okay,
want.
you play however you want. I'm sorry. Ignore the wife. Ignore the peanut gallery.
That's right.
The backseat driver. Oh, did you see that?
I saw it.
Come on. Oh, man. I really thought you had a golden ticket. I really did. Ooh, is he going to fall in the right way?
No.
No, he's not. Come on, fall the right way.
He's throwing my timing off, too.
I know.
I keep seeing his little face in my...
There we go. Now he's going to fall. Now, push.
Oh, you little beast.
Not for sure. Not for sure that was going to do something. Oh, okay, that was a good tilt.
Good tilt.
Nothing.
Did you say everlasting dog stop?
There he
Okay, is
is.
this one gonna help? And no.
No, Olaf didn't help.
Oh my god.
I keep calling him Olaf. I don't know.
It's Augusta.
I know.
Augusta Gloop. You were calling something else Olaf the other night. I didn't get it. I was like, what are you talking about?
Everybody's Olaf.
Are you watching like Frozen
No.
one too many times?
If I do, I'll be singing along with it.
Frozen is the only movie I know that has an Olaf.
I'm like the tortoise.
You're definitely going the slow method.
Slow and steady is what wins the race. That's what the tortoise said.
But he only won the race because the rabbit got hit by a car, right?
I mean, Hassan said.
Wasn't that how it went?
Goodbye, Peter.
Goodbye.
I'm not leaving. I'm still here.
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
What?
I'd like a bar of chocolate, please.
I think I can do it in 36 notes.
I'd like a bar of chocolate,
42
please.
notes.
42? No, I don't think you can.
Okay. Let's see who's right.
Oh man, one away from the golden ticket. Okay, that's. Oh, I really thought that was going to be a good push.
I think we all did.
Oh.
Okay, my bounces aren't bouncing like they were.
Tigger is not bouncing. Okay, that was a little move.
That was a little bit better.
I don't know. I feel like the only reason they haven't slid is because Mike TV's preventing it. He's really helping out. Oh,
So that's his
that
last
was-
name is TV?
TV, yeah. It's
Oh, I thought
pretty
that was
sure
just,
it was supposed to be ironic.
Yeah, well, it is
And then
ironic.
Veruca Salt because she's salty.
Yeah, that's pretty smart.
And Augusta Goop because he's loopy.
I don't know.
And Violet because she's
She's Violet.
quiet.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the whole movie is supposed to be a social commentary, but I don't think anyone thinks that hard.
So what country is this based in? Because all the roofs are red.
It's United Kingdom, isn't it? England?
I guess, but why do they speak without the accent and everybody else? You know what I mean?
I
don't
wasn't
sense
aware who was not speaking with an accent.
None of them were. Charlie lived there, and he spoke like a little regular American
Because
boy.
they didn't sound like Mary Poppins.
Yeah,
I don't know. That's a good point. I never thought that hard.
I have.
Not everyone can sound like Mary Poppins.
Oh, they do.
They should, but they don't.
They're from America. They have a certain sound. Great Britain, they sound a certain way. We all sound different because we're from different parts of the world.
I don't know. Sometimes people say I have an accent, but I don't feel like I have an accent. Ooh. I don't feel like you
sound
have.
like a northerner.
A northerner?
Northerner.
What is a northerner?
Somebody who's from the north.
But it's North America, so aren't
I
we
know.
already
No.
in the
I don't sound
Good
like I'm
day,
from.
sir.
I don't sound like I'm from Alabama, do I?
Alright, how much money
I'd
do you
like a
got?
bar of chocolate,
20, you still
please.
got $23. He still has a chance. Oh, I don't think
I'd
you
like
sound
a bar
like
of
you're
chocolate,
Southern at
please.
all.
I think I can do it in 26 notes.
I don't. I think after this 26, you're gonna pass the baton and let
I'm
me
not
do
passing the
rapid
baton to
fire.
anybody because you had 150 something. Oh God, that's a lot of people.
That was a big party. Party leaving. What was that? I think I think Holly's done the escape room here and she really liked it.
I don't know if I'm into that.
I know I will not do an escape room. But the girls loved it.
I don't think I think quick enough on my feet. I mean, I do in the real world, but I don't need to be reminded of real life.
I didn't even like Clue as a kid. I don't like
No,
the
that's,
adult
I'm not either. I don't.
vroom version, sorry. 25 shots!
Hit the jackpot. Little birdie's singing.
This is not an easy game. Now I'm thinking the pearl fisheries.
Yeah. Oh, we're so close.
The pearl fishery, we were playing that earlier. It kind of grows on you. You gotta get used to it. Now I'm liking it.
It's gonna be Mount Vesuvius when it falls. It's tilting downward a little bit.
A little bit. It's the slowest. Oh man. Okay, it's doing something. All right, here comes Willy Wonka. Oh, no.
Oh,
He did not help.
Wonka, come on.
It's the best.
Disappointment.
Willy Wonka.
He tried making everybody think that he had a disability and he didn't. Jerk. Because he came out of the building limping. And then he did that roll and everybody thought he was done. That hurt my feelings when I was a kid.
But isn't that the classic Charlie Chaplin fall? Like,
It is, but he's not Charlie Chaplin. Wonka.
But wasn't he trying to be with like the cane and stuff?
Pretty much.
Oh man, this is like heartbreaking here. Am I getting too close?
You are. You're like crowning in on my space. It's like, back off, woman.
It's like, what? I'm trying to get a good view. You're like inching away from me. It's like, do I smell or something?
No, I just
I'm
I need personal space.
Oh man.
Those went nowhere.
I thought was going to give you a good push. Did you just give us the golden ticket already? Oh my god. We are. I'll tell you what. We did not win the golden ticket a lot here.
No, we don't. But you're not supposed to win it every time or it wouldn't be special.
Well, I'd like to get 5,000 tickets somehow.
Time for me
Okay,
to
this
play.
is. Oh
Okay, I think we had a good chance.
no.
I'm liking our chances. Feeling very confident. There it is. Oh,
All right, one more.
Now
And
it's
now
time to
two.
say
Okay,
goodbye.
hold on.
there it is.
All right, no. That's it, just time for a
You haven't done it.
time.
I haven't done 150 yet.
I'd like a bar of
TV
chocolate,
time
please.
All right, that's fine.